Come on, you can do louder than that.
We heard you backstage. We know how loud you can be. After 3,